Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Grunt fish is often overlooked, but it's a true hidden gem in Jamaican cuisine. It's incredibly tender and takes on flavors wonderfully, making it perfect for a vibrant, island-style dish. We'll show you a simple, authentic way to prepare it. You're about to unlock a truly delicious and surprisingly easy recipe that will transport your taste buds straight to the Caribbean. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this flavorful, hearty meal. For that truly authentic Jamaican flavor, fresh ingredients are absolutely essential. You'll need about 1 or 2 pounds of whole grunt fish, thoroughly cleaned and scaled. Next, grab your vibrant aromatics: fresh thyme, crisp escallion, a tiny piece of Scotch bonnet pepper for heat, and colorful bell peppers. Don't forget your trusty onions and some sweet carrots. These simple, fresh components will build the foundation for an incredibly flavorful dish that sings with Caribbean sunshine. Now let's get the fish ready for its flavor journey. After your grunt fish is thoroughly cleaned, make about 2 or 3 diagonal scores on both sides. These cuts aren't just for show, they help the fish absorb all those wonderful seasonings deeply. Next, generously rub the fish inside and out with a simple blend of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a squeeze of vibrant lime juice. This step truly locks in that foundational taste. It's time to cook. Heat a few tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over a medium-high flame. Carefully place your seasoned grunt fish into the hot oil. Fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, just until it turns beautifully golden brown and develops a light crispness. This initial fry locks in all the fish's natural juices and creates a wonderful texture. Once done, gently remove the fish and set it aside. To complete your incredible Jamaican grunt fish, we'll create a savory sauce. Using the same skillet, sauté your chopped escallion, onions, bell peppers, carrots, and thyme until fragrant. Add a splash of water or fish broth to form a light sauce. Gently nestle your fried fish back into the skillet, covering it with the aromatic vegetables. Cover the pan and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, just until the fish is tender and thoroughly cooked. Serve hot with rice and peas or festival.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.